How to change language in Microsoft Edge. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to change language in Microsoft Edge. To change language in Microsoft Edge, simply follow the steps exactly as shown in this guide. So let's start the video. On your system, open Microsoft Edge browser. And on the top right corner of the screen, click on three dots. From the menu, click on Settings. A new window will appear. On the left side panel, click on Languages. Under Preferred Languages, you will see a list of languages. To add a new language, click on Add Languages button. You will now see a long list of available languages. Scroll through the list and find the language you want to add. So if we want to add Hindi, check the box next to it and click on Add button. If you want to change preferred language in Microsoft Edge, then click on the three dots again and check this option, Display Microsoft Edge in this language. So check this option. Now, click on Restart button. Edge will close and reopen automatically, reflecting your new language. This is how you can simply change language in Microsoft Edge. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.